everyone, welcome to the world of Aqua, where we talk about our amazing methods, technologies, and our experiences behind the chair, both good and bad. I'm Samantha, and in this webinar, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Aqua. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a newbie, we're here to address your fears, answer all your questions, and guide you to a killer extension business behind the chair. So let's start at the beginning. AQUA was founded as a boutique brand exclusively for professionals in 2008. Our headquarters and showroom are based in Davie, Florida, but we cater to hairstylists all over North America. At AQUA, we understand the importance of education. As a stylist and salon owner myself, I totally understand how busy life behind the chair can get, as well as every stylist has very unique learning needs. Education isn't a one-size-fits-all, which is why we designed a variety of education options to fit your schedule and skill level. From free webinars like this one to nationwide, hands-on, both in-person and live virtual education, we are here to support your growth. In addition, we offer one-on-one sessions with our educators for tailored guidance to further support your extension journey. No matter where you're at, AQUA is committed to help you succeed. Education is just one part of our commitment to supporting stylists. Equally important is providing you with hair extensions that you can trust for their quality and integrity. That's why we're so passionate about ethical sourcing and craftsmanship. We only source 100% human Remy hair. Every strand of hair goes through our innovative two-step technology, starting with our 12-hour nutrient-rich protein bath to preserve the integrity of the cuticle. Finishing off with a low and slow gentle lifting cycle lasting 21 days to ensure longevity versus the industry standard of only 3 days. So no flash lifting, no removing of the cuticle, no coatings, only good healthy hair. It's so important to pair exceptional hair with extension systems that are just as versatile. This is why at AQUA, we're always striving to deliver the latest and greatest innovation to meet your extension needs. Throughout this webinar series, I'll take you through the nitty-gritty of every extension system that we carry at AQUA, tips and tricks on how to use them, who to apply them on, who not to use them on, as well as maybe some frustrations you're having with extensions. I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next episode where we dive into each of our WEF systems.